Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Instagram message problem. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you're on Instagram and you tap the message icon at the very top right, maybe they're not showing up correctly, they're not working, you can't see any of your DMs, they're not sending and receiving. There are all kinds of issues with the messages in Instagram, unfortunately, but I'm going to walk you through some steps to get it working and get Instagram messages back up and running. So the first thing that we'll do is hop out of here and go into our settings, and we'll tap on General and then iPhone Storage. So the first thing that we're going to do if you're on an iPhone is offload the app. If you're on Android, just clear the cache and delete the app and reinstall the app. But I'm going to find Instagram on here. There it is. I'm going to offload the app and reinstall the app. Now, this doesn't get rid of your DMs, your drafts, your login, but it helps to force update Instagram to the latest version and usually fixes all kinds of various different bugs that might be causing those messages to not work very well. So once you go through these steps and Instagram is done loading here, you can see that it is taking quite a while. It is going at a snail's pace. It should help to fix Instagram and fix it to be able to send any kind of messages. The next thing that we'll want to do is we'll go into Safari or Google Chrome and we'll just type in "is Instagram down?" So we want to make sure that the messages are not working because the servers for Instagram are down or something like that. So I'm going to tap on down detector here. And when I'm there, I will scroll down. If you see a big spike in issues reported from Instagram, this is a good thing to check. And if there is that big spike, then Instagram is down and likely the messages are not working because of the servers being down. So if this looks fine, there's no big spike, then we can hop into Instagram for the last step. So let's go into Instagram here and let's tap on our profile icon at the bottom right and then the three lines at the top right. And then we'll tap on settings. And from here, we'll choose privacy. And there are a couple different things you want to look at here. You can see under hidden words is limits, and you want to make sure that is turned off because this will limit somebody being able to send you messages on Instagram. So make sure that limits is turned off. And the other thing is at the very bottom here, messages, we want to tap on that and make sure that all of these are toggled so that you can receive and send messages. For instance, at the bottom, who can add you to groups? You can tap on that and make sure it's set to everyone on Instagram. If you switch it over to only people you follow, then potentially that might be limiting your messages or causing issues because they can't send you a message based on your settings on Instagram. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.